Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll share with you how to use the Easy Reflections app on Canva. It's a simple but powerful tool to create realistic reflections in Canva. Here's how to do it. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. I'm using a YouTube thumbnail as an example. First, change the canvas background color to black. This will make the reflections stand out more clearly. Now, place your main image in the center of the canvas. Go to the Apps section and search for the Easy Reflections app. Click on the image, then choose Create Reflection. You'll see some options to adjust how the reflection looks. Set the position to below, offset to 1, and opacity to 100. Place the reflection below the original image. Hold Alt and resize it so it's the same size as the original. Next, add a stadium image. Go to the Photos section, find the right image, and resize it to cover the entire canvas. Adjust it so it fills the top half of the frame. Select the Easy Reflections app again, and this time, set the opacity to 50%. Resize the image so it reaches the bottom of the original one. Select both layers, or one at a time, and go to the Position tab to send them to the back. Open a new page, then go to the Text section and choose Add a Heading. Type in your text, then change the font to something nice. I picked the Horizon font. Resize the text so it fills the whole width of the canvas. After that, pick a bright color so it stands out against the dark background. Download the text image as a PNG file with a transparent background. Upload the saved file so we can use again the Easy Reflections app. Resize the text so it fills the whole width of the canvas. This time also. Set the position to below, offset to 1, and opacity to 50. Adjust reflection text image. Once the reflection is created, download the image again with a transparent background. Once the reflection is created, Download the image again with a transparent background. Bring this file back into your design and place it behind the main image. Adjust the size of the text image. Go to the Layers option and move the text image to the back. You can either select both layers together or do it one by one. Download the design as a PNG file. Now, design is almost finished. Enjoy creating, and thanks for watching.